Len. Away they go. Missional from the outside. Virgin Fiery by Darrell rushing up. Prince Isaiah moving up is 30-30 alongside is Senyales. By Darrell is Conquistador. Second last Len and Action Sailor is the early trailer. Number 8, Missional by about 2 lengths. Virgin Fiery. Then here comes 30-30. Is racing in third by about 2 lengths. Racing in fourth by some 5 lengths. Conquistador Senyales. Moving up in between runners is Len. Rounding the far turn, Missional, Virgin Fiery. 30-30 is racing on the outside third. Len is now running in fourth by about 5 lengths as they race the final corner. Missional, Virgin Fiery is running by the 30-30 on the outside, and Len. Virgin Fiery, Missional, 30-30. Len also rushing out. Virgin Fiery by about 2 lengths, followed by Len is on the, by the road, and finally it's going to be Virgin Fiery, Len. Missional, 30-30, Senyales.
3-2-8-6 ang datingan po natin dito. At medyo naka-upset ang